Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's talk about is my tiny room. So now I'd like to show you my tiny 8 square meters room. If you are interested in tiny rooms in Japan, please take a look. First of all, when I open the door, you can see the whole room. It's a little dirty though. You can also see the laundry drying in front of you. To be honest, I wouldn't want a woman to see my room like this. I regret talking the video now. Behind me, there are my clothes and bags. I usually work at the desk you can see in the back. And these chests of drawers and shelves are the ones that they were provided in the room from the beginning. This is an umbrella I bought from Amazon. On the second shelf, there are contact lens cleaning solutions and masks. On the third shelf, there are something messy. And here are the document files away. There are documents related to the company, government officers, and many matters. On the chest of drawers next to it, there are a few things. Let's take a look at the contents. There are underwear, socks, and a plastic bag that came out when I shop at the supermarket. And there is a broken MacBook. The reason for its broken is that I spilled coffee on it. There is no trash can, so I throw trash directly into the bare trash bag. There is deodorant on the bedside table. Most men's rooms are smelly, aren't they? I can say with confidence that my room doesn't smell either, so I put deodorant in it. There are the shots I'm working on. There is absolutely no place to dry them, so I hang them on the air conditioner. Please don't try this. This is a plastic bag with used clothes in it. I do laundry once every 4 or 5 days, so I stock up on clothes until then. I respect people who live alone run the washing machine every day. This is my bag for work. The rest is t-shirts, jackets, and outerwear. That's all the clothes I can see right now. I used to have a lot of clothes, but I threw them away at once. Oh, there are some socks here. I usually put my laundry in the dryer, but these socks fell out of the dryer, so I hang them here. What do you think? Please share your thoughts on this video in the comment. See you next time.